You're watching the Ship on Day 1 Field Guide. I'm Hans. Let's get ship done. You're probably watching this video because you're interested in better scaling your artifact management system. By this point, you probably already have a good idea of what artifact management framework you want to use and how you want these tools to be set up. However, maybe you haven't scaled them effectively across your team or across your projects. As developers, you and I know that it's important to drive consensus on the team, to agree that this is the right framework to be using and to be able to document it so that other people on your team can do the same thing on their projects. During this video, we'll look at 3 points that will help you more effectively scale artifact management across your team. Step 1. Create some documentation that explains how to version, build, and relate to the artifact management system. Make sure that this documentation is specific to your project, but also abstract enough to be able to apply to other projects that your team owns. It might include some of the details for your infrastructure and your hosting, so it should be more specific than the getting started guides for the artifact management system that you've chosen. Then, step 2, share this documentation with your teammates and allow them to cross-pollinate and implement the artifact management system on some of their projects. Each one of your teammates should be able to apply this on at least one of their projects so that everyone has hands-on experience with the artifact management system. Finally, make sure that it's well documented how to pull artifacts out of the artifact management system so that you can benefit from the artifact management system once everything is stored in it. Once you've completed these 3 steps, you'll find that your artifact management system is well scaled across your team. As a goal, try and get through all of the documentation steps by the end of this sprint, such that beginning next sprint, some of the other team members on your team will be able to set up the artifact management system on their repositories. Next, we'll talk about how to measure and optimize artifact management so that it works best for you and your projects. You can find those videos as well as so many more resources for stress-free software development at shiponday1.com. I'll see you there. Thank you.